Thando Dlamuka betrayed the country sham. The viewers wanted her to go to university and be free from Siyacela's drama. She was supposed to live her life to the fullest as a young, confident, married woman. Now she is expecting a baby with an unemployed, uneducated, lazy, cheating husband that can't even breathe when he's sitting down. Congratulations to Thando and Siyacela. I mean, after all, they are married, they are husband and wife. It's just that they did not plan for a baby. But obviously, when you have sex, what do you expect? When you have unprotected sex, like, what do you expect? Even though you are on a prevention method of some sort, but chances of being pregnant are there. Anyway, so back on a few episodes, I think it is season 4. If you can recall, when Siyacela and his brother Umdu started going to Durban, and we saw that the side chick was Umato. Siyacela and Umato went to do an HIV test, and Umdu did reveal to Siyacela's dad that Umato is also pregnant. So there is a high possibility that Umato is also pregnant as well, because Madi Siyacela are fisher at the moment, and we saw that pregnancy test revealed that Thando is 3 weeks pregnant. There is a chance that Umato is pregnant as well. So anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Till I see you again, bye bye.